Ever pondered about kickstarting your own stream farm? This life-altering decision could be the first step towards a more sustainable and profitable future. So, sit back and listen carefully as we delve into the fascinating world of stream farming. The first and the most crucial step is to scout for the perfect location. Not every piece of land is suitable for a stream farm. A gently sloping terrain with a nearby water source is ideal, providing the perfect environment for the flow of water and the growth of aquatic life. Once you've secured the ideal location, the next step is to gather the necessary equipment. This includes water pumps to ensure a steady flow of water, nets for catching fish or crustaceans, and the appropriate gear for maintaining the health and cleanliness of your stream. Moving on to the most exciting part, stocking your stream. You will need to research what kind of aquatic life will thrive in your chosen location. Trout and salmon are popular choices, but you could also consider crayfish or freshwater mussels. Remember, diversity is key to a healthy ecosystem. Now that your stream farm is set up, it's time to think about marketing your produce. Understand your market demand. Are your customers looking for fresh or smoked fish? Do they prefer organic produce? Knowing your market will help you plan your production and optimize profitability. Stream farming is not without its challenges. Be prepared for potential problems such as disease outbreaks, predators, and changes in water quality. Regular monitoring and prompt action can help mitigate these risks and ensure the continued success of your farm. Sustainability is key to a profitable stream farm. Implement best practices such as rotating your stocks to prevent overfishing, using organic feeds, and minimizing waste to ensure your farm remains productive and profitable for years to come. To summarize, starting a stream farm involves selecting the right location, gathering the necessary equipment, stocking your stream, understanding your market, and implementing sustainable practices. It may seem daunting, but with careful planning and diligent management, your stream farm could become a thriving and profitable venture. So why wait? Dive into the world of stream farming today and make a splash in this lucrative market.